Go to GL, Profit and Loss Statement. This is the statement's end date. By default, system will capture the system or computer date. Report title is automatically captured. Hash company means the company name as maintained at company profile. On the second row, this is the title of the report, followed by a hash start date, means the start date of current fiscal year, and hash end date means the statement end date that you defined earlier. Save criteria is to save the report criteria for future use. Load criteria is to select and load from earlier saved criteria. There are several report formats available. Some of the formats, for example, months comparison, will allow additional criteria such as number of months and sequence order, ascending or descending. Look at options. Show up to level means to show multi-level accounts up to maximum of 20 levels for report purpose. Show account number is to show account number of each ledger account. Show zero balance is to include accounts with zero balance. Use second description is to show the second row of account description instead of the first row. With percent is to show the percentage of each account under a percentage column. Appropriate on new page is to show separately the profit and loss appropriation account on a new page. Net profit and loss only means to not show net profit after taxation and net profit after appropriation. Has accumulated profit and loss is to show accumulated profit and loss brought forward and carry forward. Show amount in parent account is to show total amount in each parent account when show multi-level accounts is switched on. If unchecked, an additional row will be inserted after the last sub-account to show the subtotal. Show actual and budget percentage is to show a comparison percentage of actual amount and budgeted amount. Click on Advanced Options. The header is to show page header, date and time, and use ID on the report header. Number style is option to round up to 10, 100,000 or 10,000, and option for format of negative amount, option to show decimal. Text styles is to define separately the font and color of the components of the report. Paper is to set the width and height of printing paper. The unit is in tenths of a milliliter. That means 2159 is equivalent to 215.9 millimeter. Margin is to set the margin of left, right, top and bottom, also in tenth of millimeter. Column width to set the width of the columns of number, account number, percentage and description. Account indentation is to set the indentation of sub-accounts. Row height is to set the height of rows. Auto adjust column width and font size is to make auto adjustment according to paper size. Reset is to use the default setting. You may click on OK to save the setting or cancel to cancel changes and return to previous screen. It's the same as pressing the escape button on your keyboard. Select the year. Click on preview, the preview of printing output. Hover your mouse to the figures and you can see the mouse pointer change to a hand sign on those rows that allow drill in. Click on the amount to show a transaction drill down screen listing the transaction entries that contributed to this amount. You may double click on any of the entries to drill into the source documents. That's all for profit and loss statement. Thank you.